Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to show you a concealer hack today, and I'm just going to get right into it. The only thing I'm wearing on my face right now is the NARS Light Reflective Foundation. I use just a tiny bit, and I mix it with my Kate Somerville Recovery Cream, and I just get a light coverage. The only time I grab a heavier coverage foundation or a foundation stick is just to cover up my hyperpigmentation that I did get from a really rough IPL session, but that's another story. So I'm starting out with the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Eye Cream. This is a luminous eye cream, and you can see that it's pink because I mix the Benefit Flush Liquid Cheek Stain into this. I do that with almost all of my moisturizing creams. I mix a little bit of that in with this because I like the pink tint. So that's actually a little too much. And I just, like any other eye cream, I dab it on. And I am doing this over my foundation. And then I give it a few minutes to absorb. So then I use the EXA, is it EXA or EXA? I don't know, but it's High Fidelity Color Corrector. This is in pink, and it's just a really good color corrector, and I will link everything below. So that's how pink it is. So again, using more brightener under the eye, and the pink offsets the blue. And I'm going to use my finger and just dab into what I swatched. And you really just want to tap under the eyes where the blue is. Now you may not have blue, but any type of discoloration, because as we get older, the skin under our eyes just gets thinner and thinner, which is why you see a discoloration under your eyes. It's hard to correct that, and there really aren't any creams that are going to get rid of that. It's only because the skin is so thin, it's laying against something that's blue under there. Now this is just a color corrector. It's not a concealer. But you can see how it has offset the blue under my eye, but it's also brightened my under eyes. And this is a close-up. It's very brightening, but it's also very smoothing. I love the EXA formula. EXA. But I do really like the formula. It's hydrating and not drying. And the last thing that I use is the Jour Essential High Coverage Concealer Pen. And I have this in a very bright color. The color is Snow. And I get a very light, bright color on purpose, but you don't have to do that necessarily. You can go with your, your natural skin tone. I just like to brighten my under eyes. And what I do is because of the shape that it's in, and I'll swatch it, that it's pretty light and bright. And what I do is I just go over, so I have these dark lines right here under my eyes that I really want to camouflage because it bugs me. So I just go over with this light stick over that line. Just simply go over that line is all I do. And this stick is also very creamy and moisturizing. And I'm going to use my Beauty Blender sponge, and I use the corner part here, and I just bounce it in. And if you don't want to use a sponge, you can use the warmth of your fingertips. to melt it right in. And that's it. It's very brightening. It's very smoothing. I do not need a powder to set it because my skin is very dry during the winter, but I would use a powder during the summer because my skin changes and it becomes a little more oily. But of course, it depends on the condition of your skin. Anyway, I'm going to link everything below. If you like this under eye concealer hack, let me know. Please hit the subscribe button. Please leave me a comment. And until next time, love you guys. See you soon. Watching?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, you're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done. The like button is...
Four,
the like button.
3.
Bye.